Now we're looking at the mooring options that may suit your DB600 depending on your site conditions. So when you get a DB600, that includes the float, the instrument tube, associated materials, the ballast chain, about 1 meter length of heavy duty chain, the shackle, and a thimble to connect to your rope. So you can design your own mooring system based on a rope and chain to suit the depth you have at site, the currents, the waves, the wind exposure, and all the other conditions that your buoy will be exposed to. And you need to make sure you're looking at the worst case conditions because you don't want your buoy dragging the anchor in the harsh conditions. So we actually have kits available for 10 meters, 20 meters, and 33 meters of water depth. Now, the buoy rope length needs to be 1.5 times the depth. So when we say a 10 meter depth, that actually has 15 meters of rope. So the kit includes the rope, chain, swivels, shackles, thimbles, and associated materials, as well as a tub and an anchor bolt system that you can use to pour your own concrete pad on site. So the only thing you need to do is to add your premix cement. And that tub allows you to fill up, depending on the weight that you want your anchor to be, up to a concrete dry weight of around 90 kilograms of weight. So you need to do your buoyancy calculations to figure out what does that dry weight calculate when submerged to be your anchor weight. So you need to make sure your anchor weight is sufficient for particular current, but also the waves and the wind, to make sure that it will not drag the anchor in poor conditions. So within the kit, this is the 10 meter depth that we're looking at. And you can always tell the length of rope that you have. So a 10 meter kit actually has a 15 meter rope, and that is marked on the thimble that the rope is tied onto. The advantage of getting it as a kit form is that it comes pre-assembled with everything you need, including the rope itself tied onto the thimble with a shackle to a swivel that allows the buoy to be twisting around and turning based on currents and not twisting the rope itself. So this swivel, you would remove the thimble at the bottom of the ballast chain and connect the swivel to the shackle at the end of the chain. And so then you have the swivel, shackle, thimble, rope, down to the bottom anchor where you have another rope tied onto a thimble with another shackle connected to a short length of bottom chain that connects to the eye bolt that is part of the concrete pad that you pour. Okay, so this is a suitable kit. It's all the materials are lightweight. It's suitable for air freight globally. What it does is it's fully assembled. There's less for you to consider, but you still need to make sure that that anchor and the strength of the materials is suitable for the exposure on your site. Okay, so the alternative is that you can make your own mooring system and you can use it. You can make it out of gym weights. You can make it out of scrap metal. Whatever you choose your anchor to be, make sure that that you know what you're doing, or you have some assistance to design an anchor that's suitable for the exposure on your site.